In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a successful Substack newsletter. We'll walk through the exact clicks to get your publication set up, and I'll share quick tips along the way so you make smart choices from the start. Begin by heading to substack.com in your browser. Make sure you're signed in so your changes save to your account. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen for the small icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's the main menu. Click it to open your navigation. From there, choose Settings. This is your control center for everything related to your publication. Inside Settings, find the Publication section and select Create Another Publication. If this is your first time on Substack, you may simply see an option to create a publication. Either way, the flow is the same. You'll now be asked to choose your URL. Pick something short, clear, and aligned with your topic or brand. A clean URL is easier to remember and share. Avoid confusing punctuation or overly long words, and when you're happy with it, click Continue to lock it in. Next, you'll be prompted to import your mailing list, or you can skip. If you have an existing list with permission to email, importing can jumpstart your growth. Make sure your contacts have opted in, remove duplicates, and follow any platform guidelines so deliverability stays strong. If you don't have a list yet, skip confidently. You can add subscribers later. You'll then see an option to add your first subscribers or skip. This is useful for inviting a few early supporters who have clearly agreed to receive your newsletter. If you're still refining your concept, skipping here keeps things simple until you're ready. Substack may also invite you to recommend other publications, or you can skip. Recommendations help readers discover you through cross-promotion, so consider selecting a few high-quality, topic-aligned Substacks. If nothing fits yet, you can always return to this later. Once those prompts are complete, head back into Settings. This is where the magic happens. Customize your publication. Add a publication name and a concise description that tells readers exactly what they'll get and how often. Upload a recognizable logo or header image for brand consistency. Adjust colors and typography to match your style while keeping everything readable in both light and dark modes. Take a moment to set default post preferences, craft a friendly welcome message for new subscribers, and review your email preview to ensure it looks great on mobile. Aim for a consistent publishing cadence you can realistically maintain. With these essentials in place, your Substack is ready for high quality posts and sustainable growth.